Yeah.
The mic wasn't on. Alright, in here is a drone. My first ever drone. Mini unboxing for you guys. Here is the DJI Mavic Mini. I didn't get the combo pack because I don't think it's worth it. Also, I'm not gonna be flying this all the time. Just gonna get some B-roll shots and all that good stuff that some other YouTubers do. So here it goes. Here is the box itself. Now I'm just gonna open it up. There's alright. So now get that out. Oh, looks like it goes this way. Alright, here goes the drone. I didn't know how tiny it is. Dang. That's dope. So yeah, you got the drone, and we got the remote. We got silica gel here, and then I believe this is the manual. Basically, all you need though to run this drone are these ones right here. So the drone itself, bam, and charger, I believe, and extra, I don't know, copter thing, whatever you call that. What do you call this? Blade? Swing thing? I'm already failing with this unboxing video. Oh my goodness. This one is, I believe, for your phone to connect to. Mine is a USB-C, which is right here. You guys can see that. So that's what I'm gonna be using. I also have an iPhone, but I'm not gonna use it. Alright, and this one is just an extra propeller. That's what it's called, extra propeller. Oh my gosh. Anyways, I will see, check it out, read the manual and all that, and come back to it later.
A few moments later.
Alright, got the drone situated, set it up with my phone and stuff, test it out for a few minutes here. But before I actually fly it outside, I just want to show you guys how much this thing actually weighs. So I got my little weight thingy right here, turn it on. It's in grams right now, so you guys can see that. And this thing claims to be 249 grams. You guys can see that right there. So should be 249 or less. So let me just test it out here. Bam. Let me try that again. Bam. 246 grams. So I don't have to register this with the FAA and all that stuff and get a license, all that stuff. So let's go ahead and fly it outside. It's pretty cloudy out, so actually I'm gonna wait until it's slightly clear.
A few days later.
So as I was getting ready, it started raining out. So I waited for a few days, and now it is nice and clear. And we're gonna go for a run, and then I'm gonna go test it out. Drone's right there. Just gonna pack it up for you guys and head out. Now to just kind of show you guys an example of how small it is. Boom, this is a small pocket of my backpack. Drone's right there, remote's right here. All set. Pretty sleek. Alright, got the drone situated. Ready to fly this thing. Pretty clear here, I think, so it should be good. It's a pretty small drone, so shouldn't have any problems. So to fly this thing, I'm just gonna apparently like pull down these two triggers here, and I already tried it at home, so let's just go for it. The drone's right here, pretty small, low key, you know. All right, so I'm gonna pull the trigger down and get this head. So apparently that takes off. And I'm just gonna adjust the camera down. Yeah. Alright, well now I'm gonna record
We are about 2 feet.
So there you guys have it with the DJI Mini Mavic drone. Not a pro at flying it yet, so I'm gonna try to learn how to fly it and all that stuff, but you know, at least got some pretty decent footage and all that stuff there. So yeah, hope you guys enjoy and catch you guys in the next video.